welcome to my plan with me. Today is Monday, April 25th, and we are planning for the current week, April 25th through May 1st. Normally I plan the weekend before, but I was too busy and didn't have time, so I pre-planned, but I didn't have time to lay down stickers or film. So this will probably be a hot mess because it's Monday at like 2 p.m. I worked the night before in the ER. I came home and slept for like 4 hours, and I've been mainlining coffee and Diet Coke ever since. So hot mess plan with me. We are using this Rainy Days kit from Orange Umbrella Co. It's kit 125. I've got the full boxes, the thick washi, thin washi, quarter and half boxes, scallop boxes, and the deco for this week. So it is supposed to be rainy this week, so it's be fitting. It's the last week of April, so we're going to start by laying down our thick washi. So this is one of those end of the month. If you know about Plum paper, which is the planner that I plan in, they're very customizable, and you can get them so that they start at any month, which means that every month has like a weird week. So like this would be a regular week. If you got a colored planner, it would make more sense. It would have the color, and then like it's grayed out here because you can either start this, you could have started it in April or you could have started it in May. I always start January, so it doesn't matter to me, but you get like 2 weeks. So I'll flip forward and show you that in May, so May would have that same week, and it would start, if you wanted your planner to start on May 1st, it would start with this week. So I always pick the one that has the most amount of the like regular days, and then the least amount of the graded days. So we'll get these down. But all that is to say is that what I should have done for this week, if I had planned ahead, as a planner, and known I was going to use this kit for this week, I would have bought the day headers for this week. I hardly ever use day headers. They're pretty, but they just seem like unnecessary to me. But what I did, I'll show you here in a second as soon as I finish this. I pulled this leftover from a mini kit from Valentine's 2021, I think. And the blue is very close, and I'm going to use the day headers for that and the weekend banner. I hardly ever use a weekend banner because I don't work Monday through Friday, and it just doesn't, I very rarely have like Saturday and Sunday off, but this week I do have Saturday and Sunday off, and my husband works Monday through Friday now, although he's on call this weekend, but that's okay. All right, so I am just going to lay down my thin washi and my weather stickers and my headers and my cat med stickers. Okay, now that tediousness is down, look, it's like half done. Through the magic of fast forward. Okay, we're gonna put down our shift stickers. Monday, today's B shift. That is correct. Man, I am out of it. I am too old to be like flipping shifts and working 24 hours and day shifts and night shifts, and too old for this crap. Too old. But I'm PRN at the hospital, and it's hard to find day shifts that I can work around my full-time job. So it is what it is. This week I'm not working nearly as much, at least right now. I don't have any hospital shifts like scheduled, and right now I don't have any overtime shifts at the fire department scheduled either. We just hired a new medic. We have one out on maternity leave, and we have one out for surgery. So there was kind of a lot of overtime available, but we just hired a new one. So my little overtime gravy train is gonna dry up, which in one way makes me sad because the money was good. We have a lot of like extra bills that are gonna be due like this month and well, May and June. Just property taxes, some vacations that I booked that are completely my fault. But it was just kind of nice to have a little bit of extra money come in. Okay, let's go ahead and do our sidebar real quick. So I have tracking stickers for that. God, I don't even know why I'm like pretending to track exercise lately. It's just sad. It's just sad. Let's pull a to-do. And let's use some washi. I always cover my to-do. Where are my tweezers? There we go. Jeez. So aggressive. So aggressive. Okay, I need to do some garden prep. I need to look for seeds or plants, herbs. We've got our chives coming up, nothing else. It's too early to like plant, but we bought some ferns at Costco that are currently living on the patio, and we'll have to like still like bring them in, but that's okay. They can like live in the garage for overnight if they have to. But I'm so ready for it to be spring. I need to order cat food. Okay. All right. So let's see. Let's go ahead and put our work shifts down. That's kind of like the bulk of our week. Okay. Let's see. I grabbed these glitter headers from Craft Penguin Planner. And we work Tuesday and Friday this week. So I can't get my flags off the page. Perfect. Okay, so let's do this teal blue. How many times can I lose my tweezers in one plan with me? All right, Tuesday, that's tomorrow. I know I have training tomorrow at 9 o'clock, so go ahead, put that on there. That was really crooked. Oh well, it lives there now. You'd think I didn't do this every week, like how bad I am at it. Okay, and then we will put down a full box. Let's do these umbrellas. Okay, and then I need a work label. Friday, work Friday. Normally Friday would be my Kelly day. A Kelly day is like it's a mandatory unpaid day. It kind of helps like decrease the amount of overtime for the department that they have to pay out. So we have to take them off, but we are allowed to trade them. And one of the guys at work needed my Kelly day to go on a fishing trip, and I took his Kelly day in February to go on a cruise, so that seemed like a good deal to me. So normally I'd be off this Friday, but I'm not. I'm working. So let's use the clouds for this. Okay, and I have, let's use a work label and I have a Kelly Day trade on label. We track this stuff in the computer. Well, we used a version of Kronos, which lots of employers used Kronos, and then Kronos got ransomware, and so our timekeeping system went down for like, I don't know, 6 months. That's totally fine. It took forever to get it back online. Okay. All right, today we came home and we slept. We slept good too. I got like 2 pages read in my book, and I was out. Absolutely out. And I woke up with a cat curled up next to me, which I'm surprised they haven't made any cameos because they haven't seen me hardly at all over the last like 4 days. So they're like, "Mommy, are you alive?" Okay, let's do meals. You see the sheet with the water damage? I believe that was from the Great Coffee Spill incident of 2021. Yeah, a lot of stickers died that day. That was a sad day. I was sitting at my dining room table, drinking my coffee, and I had my planner and a bunch of planner stickers on the table, as one often does. And the cat jumped up and knocked my coffee over, and I don't think I ever showed it in pictures, but last year's planner had like a big coffee stain on the edge. So that was fun. Yeah. Cats. Living with cats. Always entertaining. Okay, so we're going to cook Monday night. Work Tuesday night, so we won't meal plan for that night. Dinner on Wednesday. Dinner on Thursday. Friday work. Dinner Saturday. Stepkids will probably come over Sunday. You know what? I'm gonna use a blank. That's how I used to indicate for days that my stepkids came over. I would layer a flag at the dinner. But they're teenagers and they don't come over nearly as often anymore. But they will probably be here Sunday night, so I will layer that. So I remember mostly to make enough food. Okay, so all right, let's do some coffee time for today. let's do a spaz with a coffee cup. And I feel like that deserves a fufu label. Right in the middle. Yep, because that's what today is. Coffee and plans and a hot, hot mess. Because we pulled our hot mess stickers. All right. Let's see. I pulled my print and cut stickers. I made myself some new banners and some new snarky stickers for my monthly remix. So I need to print this afternoon. And then the only other thing I have to do today, well, don't have to, but tonight is Better Call Saul. So I'm going to put it down in a TV box to watch that if I can stay up late enough. Comes on at 9, which shouldn't normally be a problem. Last week was the premiere, and I didn't realize it was going to be like a double episode. It was like 2.5 hours. Finally, I just gave up. I was just like, I have to go to bed. I'm not a night person anymore. I'm just too used to getting up at 6 a.m. for work, so that's just pretty much how it works. Grocery shop. Okay, Wednesday. Grocery shopping and lunch date. Okay, we can do this. Moving on to Wednesday. Probably go to Meijer. Big list. Do that on Wednesday. Hoping to have lunch with my friend Ashley. And maybe do some day drinking. So I'm hoping, since I'm not working nearly as much as I did last week, that I can get some stuff done around the house and also maybe like have a little bit of me time. So maybe we do like a little bit of self-care. I need a pedi so bad. So bad that like I don't want to go have it done professionally. I'm just gonna like, do some spiffing up myself. Maybe like do a hair mask. So I think Wednesday is just gonna be like grocery shopping and me time. So do a little self-care. And we're gonna do our nails. Figure out how to put a sticker down. There we go. Okay. All right. Thursday. This week is FDIC. It's the Fire Department Instructors Conference in Indianapolis. It's kind of like a big work deal. I have a pass. I don't know that I'm going to go. The exhibition hall opens on Thursday, so I might go. My husband will probably be downtown all week for that. So I might go on Thursday and at least go to the exhibition hall. My husband refers to it as Fire Truck Petting Zoo. It is. It's just all the, I don't know. It's like any other like work conference where it's full of, stuff, booths and stuff that you can do and everything like that, but it just has everything to do with the fire department and a little bit to do with EMS. Thursday is trash day. I do want to try and clean up the house if I'm not working that much this weekend, so that's my other thing to do on my agenda for Thursday. And so I wrote down that FDIC exhibit hall opens on Thursday, and I have these stickers from the sticker patch, these little fire trucks. We're gonna use one of those. You sticker that has a fire truck on an ambulance or an ambulance on it, I'm gonna buy it, but I'm so bad. I never use them. They just seem like it just seems too much. I don't want my whole spread. I don't want my whole life to be my work. So I buy them because they're cute and I like them, and then I hardly ever use them. But these are like so tiny. I need to use those more because those are just cute. Like that's just like a nice little accent instead of making my whole spread is my job, which is not me at all. At all. At all. Don't care. And you're like, well, if it's not, why do you talk about it all the time, Jess? Okay, I forgot. Wednesday, I need to do my PR post, so we'll put that down there. All right, Friday is payday. Yay, payday. Okay, Saturday. I'm so excited for this weekend because there's like hardly anything going on. All right, so let's use a banner that we made, and this weekend, how are we gonna do this? Let's do weekend. I like the weekend stickers, they're cute, but if you're not off on the weekend, it just seems rude. So like I don't ever hardly get to use them. Do that. I like that. We're celebrating. And we're also gonna have brunch both days. I have some new Bloody Mary stickers on the way from my Order Bellico order, which I'm excited about because I love brunch. I love it so much, I'm putting it down twice. Alright, let's use May 1st. Hello, May. books. Okay, I need to put down my books for the week. Let's see where we have room. I've already started. Oh, I missed one. Man, I told you this is going to be a hot mess. Hot mess. Okay. Planner time. We'll probably do our... Oh, of course, it's supposed to rain all weekend. I was thinking I'd do my plan with me while my husband's out mowing grass. But that's like a week away. Who knows? So I can get rid of them for a half hour. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, it's going to be tight. Going to be tight. All right. I've already started reading this, which is Under the Whispering Door. I don't love it. I really don't love it. I almost didn't finish it, but I feel like I've invested so much. I need to just finish it. It's okay. I really don't like the characters, and the dialogue is just aggravating, and I don't know. I don't love it. So the other two things I have on my to be read list for the week is The Ice Child, and that fits the prompt of a different book by an author you read in 2021. So I'm reading, I've been reading through my favorite author. She's a Swedish mystery writer, Camilla Lackberg, and I'm almost done with her series. I've kind of been stretching them. I read them a lot on vacation, but I'm almost done with her series, so I can read another one of her books this year. So that will be nice. And then part 2 of the duology is going to be A Beautifully Foolish Endeavor. Okay, so those are all planned out. Cat food. I'm gonna put down a little cat food. Cat food. Gotta order cat food. I told you this was gonna be a hot mess. All right. Wow, we almost don't have room for deco. Let's put some rain down here. And some clouds over here. Definitely gotta have an umbrella somewhere. Let's put an umbrella over here. Alright, and then I just need to write in our meals. Alright, we're doing ham and green beans tonight. Wednesday, Reuben's. Let's see, Thursday, let's do leftovers. Thursday, lettuce wraps on Saturday, and burgers on Sunday. Okay, I think that's it. All right, and I have a bow to match, as I tend to do. Yeah, figure out how to put a bow on. Sure, that's fine. Okay, right. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching.